In this video, we'll explore the 7 essential software every renovation contractor need. Renovation projects involve many moving parts. Without the right software, even experienced contractors can lose profit. Many renovation contractors still rely heavily on spreadsheets, emails, and scattered documents. But only modern software provides structure and efficiency. The first essential tool is estimating software. Accurate estimates are the foundation of profitable renovation projects. Project management software helps renovation contractors stay organized throughout the project. It allows teams to manage tasks and track progress. Scheduling tools are critical in renovation work. Proper scheduling ensures electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and installers all arrive at the right time to avoid chaos. Budget tracking tools help contractors monitor project expenses as they occur, help avoiding cost overruns and take corrective action. Clear communication is essential in renovation projects. Dedicated communication tools allow contractors to share updates, documents, and progress reports with clients. Renovation projects has plans, permits, contracts, and many more documents. A document management software keeps everything organized in one place. Many contractors today prefer all-in-one platforms that combine estimating, scheduling, budgeting, communication, and document management into one system. When all your project data lives in one integrated software, you gain complete visibility over your projects. This reduces mistakes, improves collaboration, and saves valuable time. Platforms like 123Works are designed specifically to support renovation contractors. By combining estimating, project management, scheduling, and budget tracking into a single platform, contractors can manage projects more efficiently. Using the right software tools allows renovation contractors to complete projects faster, maintain better financial control, and deliver a better experience for their clients. As renovation businesses grow and projects become more complex, digital tools will continue to play an increasingly important role in managing projects effectively. To recap, the 7 key software every renovation contractor need are an all-in-one platform like 123Works to manage all work under one roof. If you're looking for a better way to manage renovation projects, contact us to explore how 123Works can simplify estimating, scheduling, budgeting, and project management. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more insights.